Welcome everyone to another RGI Easy Sewing session with myself, Avena Prince. Some time ago, subscribers asked about adding buttons to pleated skirts. We actually did that video a while ago, but we had a lot of issue uploading it. So we are going to redo that video so you know how to do that. Let's do this. Okay guys, so I do not have an actual order for a pleated skirt, and it's a very busy time for us, so I would not have enough time to create one. So I'm going to use paper to show you how to do that. Okay, now what you really are going to do is to add sewing allowance for buttonholes and buttons. Okay, now to do that there are different methods, but because we have already taught you how to calculate the fabric that is needed for your pleated skirt, and if you haven't seen that video, the link is down below so you can go back and take a look at that. We've also shown you how to create a pleated skirt using two separate pieces of fabric. Because we've already done that, it should make this video much easier. So if you haven't seen those other videos, I would advise that you go to take a look at them, and that would make everything easier for you. Nonetheless, we're going to go ahead, and of course, if you have any questions, any concern, anything that you did not understand, anything that you do not understand, feel free to leave a comment or your questions below, and as always, I will do my best to assist you. Okay, so you have different instances where you would be making your pleated skirts. You have one instance where you would have all of the measurements that you would need, and remember we show you how to calculate that. You would have all of the measurements that you need in one long piece of fabric. Okay, so let's say we know the amount of fabric that we are going to need for this skirt is 18 inches. Okay, then to that 18 inches you add 3 inches. I'm going to cut off the excess. You may or may not have excess depending on the amount of material you are working with. Okay, so I am folding one side. In this instance, our buttons are going to be to the front. So I fold 1 inch on one side, and I fold 1 inch on the second side. Okay, so the 1 inch that I'm folding is really going to serve as a facing or some support for the buttons and buttonholes. So here we have our facing on this side and on that side. Note too that this can be pieces that are added. In the instance where you are going to add the facing, you would take into consideration the sewing allowance that you would need to join it to the material. Okay, so here we have it. And basically, this is how you would go ahead and add your buttons and buttonholes. So, buttonholes, our buttonholes would be here according to the distance that you want to work with, and our buttons on the opposite side. So once you bring that one over the other, you would have your pleated skirts with buttons. I hope you learned how to add buttonholes to your pleated skirts from this video. If anything was unclear, feel free of course to leave a comment or a question in the section below for that, and as always I will be happy to assist you. So until next time, bye.